Hey, welcome back. This is Okay. Today I'm doing an inking video and I have something a little special because I did not wake up today expecting to find a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle game for free on the internet. That's a new game that is like emulating the Super Nintendo and the Nintendo and arcade games from back in the 90s when Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles were in their heyday. So if you've not heard about this game called Rescue Palooza, I want you to go Google it and download it as soon as you can because this game is awesome and it's a free download. You can play it for free and it comes with all the files you need. You don't have to download any emulator or engine or anything. You just download the program. It's 158 megabytes, so it's kind of big, but it's everything you need and it is so fun. I've been playing it for like an hour already. I already played April O'Neil's level, and what else? I played the Channel 6 newsroom, so that was Baxter and Irma. Just really fun. They've got sound effects and voiceovers from the original Turtles cartoon, and let me just show you a little bit of gameplay here. I'm playing as Baxter right now, and yeah, so it uses like the Lost in Time, Turtles in Lost in Time, Lost in Manhattan or something like that, you know, those kind of controls and attacks. Really, it's hard to know where they are. Oh crap. With Baxter, because it looks like he's flying all the time. But yeah, he's got the fly swatter. And the others have like multi-attacks and stuff, and Baxter does not. It does not seem like he can. I was playing as April O'Neil earlier, which was really fun. She throws her microphone at people to knock them out, which is funny. But this guy who made it is just awesome. I love him. And to give it all away for free is just a dream come true. I would pay for this. You know, I hate the mobile gaming community today because it's all like a casino where game over. No. Oh, okay, well, let's see where we start over. Start game. Load game. Did I save it? I don't know what. Okay, yeah, so this is the game I started. You can see right here, this used to be April's apartment. And you can see, like, this is the original Nintendo, the very beginning, like where Turtles started as a video game. He's copied that kind of gameplay where you go around. I think you can even go into the sewer, and it's exactly almost... I haven't done it yet because you can't go back. But Channel 6 was really fun. I went into the swamp with Baxter. I want to go back there again because I want to get the Genghis Frog guy. I want to play with him. You use your keyboard for controls, and it's the ASDF. I think you can program your controls, but let's see. Oh yeah, so here's all the people you can play with after you unlock them. Like, you can be Irma, Vernon, Rocksteady, and Bebop since I beat them. I think I want to be Vernon's. He's terrible. Oh, I'm not going to be Vernon. Okay, so maybe I think I want to be April O'Neil again. Maybe Irma. She's got a lot of life. Let's be Irma, just for fun. Irma going through the swamp, beating up foot soldiers. Let's see, what are her attacks? She's just like dancing. I'm gonna dance on you. Oh! Whoa, cool. I don't even know what that was. I'm definitely gonna die with Irma. Oh, her range sucks. She basically just throws her body at people. I'm gonna stomp on your head. Oh, this is so fun. Yeah, just go download this game before it's gone. I'm sure it's not going to last for very long because everyone's going to want this game. And then lawyers are going to come in and mess it all up for everybody. But yeah, I should get back to the drawing. Although I'm sure I'm gonna waste some more time on this once I'm done with this video. But yeah, pause it with the enter button. Want that Genghis Rod? You know, that guy who talks like this. And then, what's his friend's name? Like Rasputin the Frog, maybe? But they're all like country people. And then there's Leatherhead. And he's a Cajun guy. I don't know how Cajun people speak. But anyways, yeah, back to the okay. On DeviantArt, I've got a poll going right now. If you want to hop over there, cast your vote in a poll for which Willy Wonka character to get transformed. The second part of this poll is being held on Patreon starting on Thursday. It's $2 to access my Patreon and get to participate in all the polls. This month is Windy Wonka, and for the reward, we're doing this two-part poll where on DeviantArt we are holding this poll for which character to transform, and on Patreon it's going to be part 2 where you decide which room the person or character gets transformed in. And so I've already got the room options set. The poll is scheduled to come out on Thursday. Let's see, it is Tuesday today, so there's 2 more today and tomorrow to vote in the DeviantArt poll, and then it's going to close, and I'll go to the Patreon poll, and we'll find out which room this person gets transformed in. So there's going to be this person, they're going to get transformed, and there's going to be also Windy Wonka. Windy Wonka is going to be in the picture because she is going to be there kind of enjoying the situation, or enjoying watching it unfold, or that kind of thing. So yeah, there's also on my journal over in the DeviantArt profile gallery, you can go over and kind of leave a comment on what you think of pregnancy, the pregnant bellies. Goddesses of Fertility 2 is set to be the next comic I do. It'll be probably in August when that starts. And I'm trying to get a feel for everybody's opinion on sizes of pregnancy bellies. Do you like them normally, like realistic, or do you like them a little bit bigger than realistic? Or do you like them just crazy, unrealistic, but like the surreal almost, that's what kind of art, to me, I like going beyond what reality allows for, because that's what art is for, in my opinion. Do what life won't allow you to do. So yeah, I've got like a range from 1 to 4. There's 1 that's realistic, 2 is like triplets, quadruplets, that kind of thing, and then 3 is probably like 5 or 6, like Octomom, probably, maybe. But then there is the last option, 4, which is like impossibly big, and probably immobile. I'm gonna say probably not completely immobile, but very difficult to move around. Let's see here. This is a Patreon reward I'm working on right now. We are going to start up with the next Patreon sketch request contest in July. So next week we'll start that. I know a lot of you are excited about the next contest. This is a winner from that contest last month, in the month of May. I'm going to be finishing up the winners this week, and this one was called Bimbo Beer from the expansion category. And this was a $55 tier for a double, like a before and after shot. And there's also a $20 tier for just a single one. Like if you just wanted this second stage right here, it would only be $20. And what happens is after it's sketched, it goes into a poll, and then everyone from that month votes on which sketches they like the most. There's multiple winners, and if yours is a winning sketch, like it gets a lot of votes, then it becomes a gallery quality drawing. It becomes finished, and I'll finish it for free. There's no extra cost. Gotta get a sip of water there. But yeah, I'm gonna do another live stream of the coloring of this. But yeah, this is called Bimbo Beer from May. There is a the pattern I'm using to upload new sketches to the DeviantArt gallery. You can go over on my DeviantArt gallery every Sunday and Wednesday. A new drawing is uploaded from the sketch contest last month. There's still quite a few more that I'm still in the process of uploading. Let's see. Yeah, I think I colored that wrong. Let's see here. Also, Wacom came out with a new updated driver. So my zoom in and out is not super insane crazy anymore. It's actually very easy to manipulate the zoom in and out. Before it was just like went wild whenever I hit zoom. I had to just barely tap it. It's a very sensitive button. It's a touch button. Like it's not actually a button. It's a ring you put your finger on, and you don't put it on your finger, you put your finger on it. So here we go. I probably won't draw this bottom portion while I'm on YouTube because it's a little risky. But we'll finish up this boob section right here. For Bimbo Beer, I think she's drunk some beer that's turned her into a bimbo. If you didn't already get that. Let me spell it out for you. Here we go. So there. Yeah, this has been an awesome day so far, finding that Rescue Palooza. I found it through some kind of YouTube suggestion from like not Pixel Dan, but something like that. And I just love that someone did that and did it for free. I really hate how the gaming industry has become like an online casino where you just spend money and you don't get anything in return. So something calling back to the old days of gaming is just amazing. And it's new. I want to shake this guy's hand. Alright. I've been trying to live stream or at least record some of the process of doing these Patreon rewards, just to add a little bit more community to the process. Oops. I'm not doing too good with my eye-hand coordination today. I feel like the game emulator is more like smash buttons instead of eye-hand coordination. But I'm not too good. I'm sure you can get really good with eye-hand coordination practice. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I think the Turtles game was the only game I ever played in the arcade back when arcades were a thing. I don't think I ever played the Star Wars game in the arcade, but I wanted to. I think it was probably because it was too expensive. It's like put $5 in, but the experience was pretty insane. It looks like a really amazing game. But those came out a long time after Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game did. I've got the Turtles game for Sega Genesis, which was, I think is probably the most expensive Turtles game, like classic Turtles game there is out there. Because I think it costs like $70 to get. I think I got mine for like $50 on eBay. But for games to hold their value like that, if you've noticed the Nintendo Turtles games, if you ever looked for them on eBay, they go for like $10, $15, at least they used to back when I was looking for them. When I last moved, I was on a shopping spree for Nintendo games. I kind of wanted to get a Super Nintendo again. I think they've re-released the Super Nintendo. Alright, we're crisscrossing her dress like a corset kind of thing. I'm not sure. I think I'll just... Maybe I will. Maybe I'll do a crisscross there. Let's try to meet up that line perfectly. Yes. We did it! Alright. There we go. That's going to look pretty cool once it gets colored. It's going to look really tight and squishy. Let me finish her fingers right here, and then we'll cut. Let me see if there's anything else I can think of that I need to talk about other than this amazing Rescue Palooza Turtles game. I'll probably play that on my live stream just for fun. We can play it together. Alright, let's see. Alright. I can't think of anything else I need to talk about. I don't have a set date for when Windy Wonka, the new comic, is going to be released, because I've got so many little side projects, it makes it hard to plan out my schedule. Usually, if I'm not doing side projects, I can more accurately set a date, and usually only miss it by a day or two. But yeah, so I'm gonna say the Windy Wonka issue 3 from chapter 2, it will probably be available for full release on July 15th, that kind of date, mid-July. I've got 2 more pages inked, and maybe 3, and so yeah, I'm still working on it. I'm still making progress, and we are also going to be working pretty much part-time on the sketch request contest starting in July. So I'm going to try to get as much done before July 1st as I can on this comic. Thank you for always watching. This is Okayokayokok. Hop on over to the DeviantArt gallery for all the newest drawings that I've released, and stay tuned. Go over and download Rescue Palooza, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching. Bye.